Hi everyone! Today we'll explore how Kynetics and Toradex collaborate to deliver a complete platform, combining powerful hardware with a functional embedded Android platform specifically conceived for software developers. The Toradex SMARC IMX95 is a high-performance system on module built on NXP's IMX95 processor. It combines up to 6 Cortex-A55 cores, an integrated AI accelerator, and advanced graphics to power demanding edge applications. With its SMARC 2.2 standard form factor, it ensures long-term flexibility and compatibility. The module provides rich connectivity, including dual gigabit Ethernet with 10 gigabit option, PCIe, CAN-FD, and support for multiple displays and cameras, making it an excellent choice for industrial, medical, and automotive solutions. And Kynetics enhances this platform with its Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, tailored for the Toradex SMARC IMX95 development kit. The Embedded Android Developer Toolkit gives you all the essentials to run and develop with Android on the SMARC IMX95 platform. It combines 3 key elements: a development purpose-ready operating system, the embedded SDK with direct hardware access, an update factory for secure remote updates and fleet management. The Android operating system included in the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit is a fully featured, development-ready, tuned specifically for the Toradex SMARC IMX95 module and its development board. Unlike generic demo images, it's engineered for real development, with a tailored launcher and integrated user space. From bootloader to kernel to application layer, it delivers a stable and consistent foundation, so developers can focus less on system bring-up and more on creating innovative solutions. In addition, the OS comes with built-in testing applications for key buses and protocols, enabling immediate validation of hardware interfaces right after installation. The embedded SDK unlocks the full hardware potential of the Toradex SMARC IMX95 platform. It goes beyond the standard Android SDK by giving you direct access to interfaces like GPIO, I2C, SPI, PWM, UART, RS-232, RS-485, and CAN bus, right from your Android applications. With ready-made sample apps and testing tools, you can start interacting with the board's peripherals immediately, combining intuitive Android development with precise control of embedded hardware. To complete the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit includes over-the-air updates and device management capabilities for the SMARC IMX95 platform. We have Update Factory that allows you to monitor device health, troubleshoot issues, and deploy everything from single apps to full system images with just a few clicks. This ensures that deployments in the field remain consistent, reliable, and always up to date. Together, the Toradex SMARC IMX95 and the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit provide a complete platform to accelerate development, simplify integration, and deliver reliable, future-ready products. Thank you for joining us.